Sorry, my name is Akam, and oh god, and my friend Sabal is on the call, and we're going to be hosting a course to teach you guys about the basics of Python. We're not going to be going too advanced, but you're going to get a good idea, and it'll really put one foot of yours into the programming world. So we prepared a bit of a presentation, so let's just go through that. Okay, let me just open this up. Yeah, can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a demo class. So these are the most embarrassing photos you could find of both of us. Um, this is so my name's Akam. I'm gonna be writing all the mails to you guys and all the reports of every week. I'm gonna be managing a forum, which I'll tell you more about, and I'm gonna be instructor. So I'm Akam. I'm 13. I study at DIA. My favorite football team is Liverpool, and I love food, as you can tell from the photo. Sabah, just give a basic introduction of yourself.
Okay, yeah. So I'm Sabad. I'll basically be managing the website, and I'm one of the instructors for this course. I'm in grade 8 of Gems Modern Academy, and basically a good friend of Akam, and I don't like to eat food as much as he does.
Okay. Okay. So things needed for the course. So you guys are probably gonna have all of this now since you're on the call. So you're gonna need a computer. If you're on your iPad, please try and access a computer, since coding on an iPad can be really difficult, and it can some occasionally even be paid. So just try to use a computer. You guys need Zoom, which obviously you have. You need a stable Wi-Fi connection. In case you lag out or anything, just tell us and we'll tell you what you just missed while you were lagged out. Okay, and then yeah, willing. So you guys need to be willing to learn. Please, so you guys shouldn't come to this course if your parents are forcing you to. I want to see like some enthusiasm and excitement for you guys. By the way, I live near planes, so you're gonna be hearing a lot of that. It's gonna be kind of annoying. Okay, so Sabat, can you talk about like why they should learn Python?
So why exactly should we be learning Python, and what is it? So one of the main reasons why people love Python and why it's one of the best languages to learn for beginners is because it's easy to learn. The syntax of Python, syntax is basically the keywords in the code, words which actually make up the language. So you're going to be hearing a lot of that word. So the syntax of Python is basically really easy to learn, and it's similar to normal English. As we will get on through the course, you'll know. And it's really similar to English, making it really easy to learn. The second reason is because it has various libraries. Now using this programming language, you might want to perform various tasks. Now for these, you have to use external libraries, which you'll be learning about later. Now each library has different functions, and due to this these numerous libraries, it basically makes it you can multitask with it, and you can perform various functions. And it's basically widely used with companies such as Google, YouTube, and Twitter, who use Python in their everyday websites.
Okay, adding on to what Sabat said about the easy to learn path, consider it as you're learning a second language. That's what really coding should be considered as. So it's, I mean, obviously it uses English to English letters, but think of it as you're learning another language and you're going to be using it to create code. That's why it's called languages, in fact. So, okay, so now I'm going to tell you guys all we're going to cover during the course. So first of all, we're going to start with a basic introduction to Python. So some of the stuff we already covered today, introduction to programming, why should you choose Python, how to download Python, and an IDE. We'll explain more about those later. And then we'll make you guys get familiar with the interface of the IDE. Again, if you guys are confused about these keywords, either ask us and we'll tell you whether you need to know them now or whether we teach you them later. So then
Sorry to interrupt you, Ekam. We'll anyways be going into this in depth later on, so don't worry.
Okay, so we're going to be covering then some basic syntax of Python. So if any of you have done coding, you'd probably be aware of the hello world code. Now it's just something you start off with when you're coding, and it's actually quite simple. Then we're going to be teaching you about data types, which is really important in the world of programming, since data is the basis of it. Variables, inputs, arithmetic operators, and we're going to be giving you as a challenge at the end of every module. Then we're going to be discussing functions. Then we're going to be teaching you guys conditional statements such as if-else statements, challenges. Then we're going to give you a challenge on that. We're going to do for loops and while loops. Then we're going to give you a progress check. And then we're going to, since while loops do have different aspects, we're going to be talking about other aspects of it again and give you a challenge for that as well. Then we're going to be teaching you guys lists. So we're going to give you guys introduction to lists and a progress check. And it kind of goes on to the same format. So introduction to arrays and progress check, and introduction to dictionaries, actually dictionaries. Then we're going to have like a final challenge that really gathers everything you've done throughout the course. So are you guys okay with it now? Do you have any questions? I'm Yeah.
What's exactly the full form of ID?
Integrated development environment. We're going to be, it sounds complicated now, but it's really more simple, and we'll teach you guys more about it later. So don't.
And you don't really have to know. Many people don't use the full word integrated development environment. They just say IDE for short. So you don't have to really know that, but it's good for information.
Yeah. Okay. Any other questions? You guys can use the raise hand feature in Zoom.
I'll just type on chat.
Okay, so I'm guessing no one else has any questions, so I'm gonna go onwards. Okay, so now we have a few places where we're gonna, a few kind of social media things. So we have a YouTube channel where we're gonna be uploading recordings of all our classes. So I mean, this recording itself is gonna go onto the class, onto the YouTube channel. So in case you guys want to go through one of the videos, in case you forgot something or you weren't able to attend a certain class, you'll be able to go to that YouTube channel. Then we have an email, kojueka@gmail.com. This is the email we have been using to inform you guys of of classes and everything. Then we also have a website. Now we're going to be using this website for a lot, and I guess me and Sabad are just going to guide you through it now. So let me just share my screen.
You can just screenshot the website,
Yeah.
and I can just guide them through, and then you can go through the forum and the.
Okay. Yeah. So this is our website. So over here we just have like a bit of information about us.
And you do, and just before before we go into, you will have to create an account on this website. So you will be able to write in the blogs and forums. As you can see on the top right, you can see there's a login feature. So pressing that, you have to log in and create your email. You can either just send to your Gmail and just create an account and log in, so that you can access some of the features of this website, and we will be able to message you. And
yeah, okay, we'll explain a bit more about that later. So Sabat, just take them through this.
Yeah, so this is just an about us. We just make a short paragraph on what we do and what we are, and get in touch takes you basically to our email. So here's it's fine. Might be some glitch. You can just scroll down. You can continue. So now over here, as time progresses, if we have other courses, we will be adding that to this page. But for now, we only have a course in Python. So if you could scroll down.
Okay.
So here's just a logo of Python, and then below you have a small introduction of the course, which is register now button. When you press on the button, it will take you to this form.
Okay, so this will fill up as we upload videos onto the channel.
So this will come once we start actually taking classes, and once we start uploading videos. Then below us, we have given an email with a phone number where you can contact us. And the subscribe form is basically for a newsletter, where we can send you the newsletter for the month.
And we'll explain more about it later. So then we have a blog. Now, right now, this blog.
You can go to the About Us page. Till then, we'll just go one by one. Yeah, so this is just a small paragraph about us. So it's your wish if you want to read it or not.
Do I go to the blog page?
Yeah, no, you can go to the blog.
Okay, so I'll talk about this in the forum. So basically, over here, as weeks and classes progress, We're going to be uploading what we covered in our classes and maybe some photos that we might have. Obviously, we'll ask you guys whether you're okay with it, but we're going to be uploading this stuff here. So it's kind of going to be similar. It's going to be the newsletter, but we're going to upload it on our website as well. So then we have this thing called the forum. Okay, now the forum is going to be really important for everyone. And here I've just put something, the uses of the forum. So basically I'm just going to read this out. So we know that using WhatsApp can be a bit of a nuisance, or WhatsApp or email can be a bit of a nuisance when managing exercises. And all formatting in a code gets lost when transferred to it. So in this forum, you guys can send us your codes when we ask you to do exercises. You can ask us questions if you have any, and it's generally a more efficient form of communication. Please remember to be respectful
Um,
and be a nice person, and any form of
Please note one thing. Sorry, Ekam, for interrupting. One more thing. If you post it on the forum, the everyone who's registered for it will be able to see in the forum. So apart from us, everyone else who have registered for the site or for the course will be able to see and can help you out. But if you have some specifics which you only want to send it to us, you can either send it to us through WhatsApp, email, or as you can see, there's this chat feature below, which we will be going into later.
Okay, so yeah, please remember to be respectful and generally be a nice person, and any form of profanity will be reciprocated with consequences. Also, please don't spam the forum for anything useless, and please don't use any swear words, and be mindful of other people, and use the space effectively and to its full potential. Okay, so in the forum, as you can see, if I click create new post, it lets me start a discussion, or I can ask a question. So you can start a discussion. We're probably going to be using this when we want you guys to like insert your exercises. So whenever we ask you to do certain coding exercises, you guys can put in the code underneath that. Actually, if you click on this, wait, yeah, okay, whatever. I can't do this now for some reason, but what it will do is it will give you an option to put in a code snippet, so it will maintain formatting. We'll show you guys that later once I sign in. Okay,
Ekam, you just
okay, let me just stop share for a second and sign in, and then I can show it to you guys.
because then you can show all the functionalities.
Exactly, yeah, let me just sign in. And by the way, guys, in case you use any form of profanity or anything, we will in fact be deleting your post. And if you guys go too over the top, we might please know that there will indeed be consequences. So okay, so once I make the post, so I can click create new post and start discussion. Now, as you guys can see here, you can put a title and you can type text, but there's also an option here called add a code snippet. So what this does is it maintains the formatting of the code. There's a specific format of the code, which we'll talk more about later on, but this will help you to maintain it. Okay, so have you guys understood? Does anyone have any doubts? I'm gonna take it that everyone's understood the function of this. Navneet, you've just joined. I think you glitched out. So we just okay. So it's we just covered a lot, so it might take some time to go through it. So we just upload this onto our YouTube channel. We'll send you the link. It was actually an initial mail we sent you, so just go through that, and we'll upload it, so you can just go through that from there. Okay, is that fine? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so then we have the members page. Now, okay, so what you can do here is you can see other members, and now you can follow other members and everything, but you can also message members. Now, what does this do? Okay, so when you click message, it's going to open this chat thing. Okay, so in the chat box, what you can do is you can talk with people, right? So for now, say I want to say hi to Sabal. I can go onto this chat place and I can personally ask him something. For example, if you want to ask one of your anyone else in the course a doubt, or in case you miss something and you want to ask them what you missed, you can use this. So do you guys understand it? Raise your
Yeah.
hand. Okay, yeah. So does anyone have any questions right now, or is everyone okay?
All good.
Okay. So yeah, that's basically it for the website there. So you guys will use it for communication mostly, and basically to see for a bit of a progress check. So now a few details. The first thing, we're actually going to be doing this course mostly on Zoom. Yet occasionally we might use Google Meet in case there's any glitches. So we will inform you guys. By the way, Google Meet isn't going to be much of a problem because it's online on browser. And by the way, please make sure that you have sufficient storage since you are going to be have to downloading a couple of applications onto your laptop. About 2 to 3 gigabytes will probably be okay. It won't take up 2 to 3 gigabytes. Just having too low of storage might be harmful to your computer. So
It's around one. It's around 1 GB to 1.5 GB.
yeah, exactly. But just, keep a little bit of a margin since computers can get quite laggy if you have uh, limited storage. So that's basically it for today. Somebody, you have anything to add?
I don't think so. You've explained everything well. So yeah.
Thanks. Okay, so before we go, does anyone have any questions relating to the course? Please ask now.
Yes, I have Navneet.
Yeah.
So, will you be giving the link in this Zoom meeting chat? The YouTube link?
Okay, so did you? Oh wait, did you receive an email about a demo class?
No, we did not.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
be posting it on the WhatsApp group. I'll post it on the WhatsApp group. So
group
I
and
think that'll be.
Okay, I joined only today. I just joined now. Just before I joined today, so I don't know anything about demo class and all.
Okay, so just send the mail to you, and then you can access it from there.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Just one question: is Anitej Singh on this call? Okay, no, it's fine.
I don't think so.
Yeah. Okay, I think one person's number. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So
Navneet here.
no,
I have one.
Yeah. What happened? You can ask.
Yeah. In what all days will the class be?
Okay, so we're not quite sure because a lot of people have very limited days. Yet based on like the votes we got in the form, the most days we got the votes for was Sunday and Thursday. Yet soon we're gonna be sending you guys emails with all the details, so you guys can check. Your accessibility, and in case you can't, you can tell us. But as for the timings, the classes are probably gonna take place from 4 to 5 p.m.
Okay.
Okay. Does anyone else have any questions, or is that it?
Most classes will be practical and less of theory. We will be doing the theory orally, and most of it will only be practical. So I have to.
In programming, best learned by experience. So does anyone have any more questions or any doubts that you want to complete before the course begins?
No.
Okay, then I guess that'll be it. So just a question: is everyone on this call in the WhatsApp group? Is there anyone in this call who's on the WhatsApp group? Please tell me. I can add you. I'm gonna. Yeah, I think everyone is on the WhatsApp group. Okay. So yeah, guys, that'll be it for today. We'll send a few more details as per the schedule pretty soon, and you guys will receive it through both WhatsApp and email. So guys, yeah, that'll be it for today. Thanks for coming, and we hope you guys are excited for the course as much as we are.